looking at the NYU dramatic writing curriculum and everything like that, I know that their summer program is going to be helping me build up my skills and find out what I like to help me eventually graduate to become a screenwriter at the school. So really just looking at the education offered by NYU, I was confident that through the summer program, I could capture just a little bit of that education. So I knew it was good for me. It's really hard before you have any sort of education to really have a creative voice other than what you're used to. And screenwriting and filmmaking is obviously, it's kind of difficult to get into and do it right the first time. So being able to kind of start small with a program like this and then throughout the program expand into something bigger really tells you about what you actually need to do to get to a finished product instead of just starting a script, which you can't really do. And so that's really how it helped me. It's just trusting the process and being able to have a voice in the first place. Really what you learn in the program is how to develop the screenplay. So it's not really about the final product that you get, although that is I viewed it as an added bonus. But it really taught me specifically to not just start writing a script, which you won't really have a script. If you do that, you'll just have basically your idea written down. It taught us how to start with the structure, fill in the blanks, make the beat board, and then basically start small. And so throughout the 4 weeks that I was in the program, I constantly had feedback from my group and of course the instructor, and that really helped me shape my voice. So it wasn't so much that the instructor was forcing my script to be a certain way or forcing it into a specific structure, but it really just helped me hone my voice and see what kind of story I wanted to tell and what kind of movie I was interested in making. You don't need very much experience other than just a creative voice or a story you're trying to tell to join the workshops. They really take you through from start to finish, and at the end you have a wonderful finished product that you can show to anyone. You can apply to college with it. So even if you have no experience, you can just join, take your time, don't rush through it, really take to heart the instruction and the advice that people are giving you, and by the end you'll have honed your creative voice and be able to produce what you want to in an effective way. So